flight controls to the left, 3 to the right, 3, elevator 3, brakes, trim is set for takeoff, throttle go up and we'll do a run-up. Not the favorite checklist, let's fuel pump first, up and off.
Hey, I'm a traffic Cherokee 5356 Foxtrot, sign left crosswind 3.
And instruments are good, suction is good, ammeter is good on the left. Okay, good drop, back to both. Right, similar drop. To both, prop cycle.
Hammond traffic Falcon 619, share Mike is 6 miles south for left base for 31 Hammond.
Repeat is off. And run-up was complete. Prop was cycled and checked. Engine instruments were green. Vacuum was checked. Fuel pump was checked.
Foxtrot left downwind 36 Hammond.
Valve flaps is open and strobe is on. Landing lights will come on later. Flaps we don't need for takeoff. Carpet is off already. Yeah, traffic says the 9 Mike is taking runway 36 for departure and we'll make it left, crosswind left downwind, downwind departure to the south, Hammond.
Hammond traffic 88 Hotel is left crosswind for 36 Hammond.
Hammond traffic Foxtrot clear 36 Hammond.
Landing lights on and final check. Takeoff. And power is set. Airspeed is alive and parameters in the green.
Hammond traffic 88 Hotel, turning final for 36, full stop Hammond.
Hammond traffic Cherokee 5356 Foxtrot, Alpha 3 taxi followed by high Hammond.
Gear up and lock. And speed is 80. Yeah, when traffic says, and I'm sure Mike turning left crosswind, right 36 Hammond. And 700 pass, climb, thrust step 25, 25 on a prop.
Turning final,
and gear up and lock. And when traffic says, and I'm sure Mike left, downwind runway 36, we're leaving the area to the south Hammond.
Hammond traffic at a hotel is going to back taxi 1331 Hammond.
And Hammond Falcon 619 here, Mike's taxiing to runway 13 for departure.
Now we're descending to St.John. Report passing 2,400 feet, 7.5 to the north. St. John traffic says 9490 Mike, entering right downwind from runway 35, full stop to St. John. 1,000 feet.
Hammond traffic, Eclipse 568, Papa Bravo, departing the pattern to the west.
And there is St. John. Yeah. Check is good. Down and locked in green. Right pattern is a little unusual. Speed check. Upstem. Fuel selector is on board, gear down and locked, mixtures reach prop not yet. St. John traffic says 290 Mike, turning right, base runway 35 at St. John. Flaps 20 and prop can go forward. St. John traffic says 290 Mike, turning right, final runway 35, full stop at St. John. Final check looks good. Can come up, landing light is off. Will be off until we. St. John traffic says 290 Mike is taxiing back to runway 35 for departure at St. John.